Triumph Motorcycles has unveiled its latest masterpiece, the 2025 Bonneville Bobber TFC. This limited edition custom motorcycle is a true work of art, combining classic design with cutting-edge technology. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with each bike meticulously hand-finished by Triumph's expert craftsmen. The bike features a unique two-tone paint scheme, hand-painted gold accents, and carbon fiber bodywork. The result is a stunning motorcycle that is truly one of a kind. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is powered by a custom-tuned 1,200 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine that delivers 105 horsepower and 110 Newton-meters of torque. This engine provides ample power for exhilarating acceleration and effortless cruising. The engine's smooth power delivery and throaty exhaust note make it a joy to ride. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is equipped with a host of advanced technology features, including Brembo brakes, Öhlins suspension, and a traction control system. These features ensure that the bike handles precisely and safely, even in the most challenging conditions. Only 750 units of the Bonneville Bobber TFC will be produced worldwide, making it a rare and exclusive motorcycle. Each bike will be individually numbered and hand-finished, ensuring that it is truly unique. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is a triumph of engineering, a testament to Triumph's commitment to excellence. It is a motorcycle that will be cherished by riders for generations to come. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is the perfect choice for riders who appreciate the finer things in life. It is a motorcycle that combines classic style with modern technology, resulting in a truly unique and unforgettable riding experience. The 2025 Triumph Bonneville Bobber TFC is a masterpiece of engineering, a work of art, and a true icon of British motorcycle culture. It is a motorcycle that will be cherished by riders for generations to come.